Hi guys, it's me, Albert Osma. Today we're gonna have the action figure review, and today's selection is DC Unlimited Illidan Stormrage from Warcraft. It's the black version. So, how does it look? Let's take a closer look of this figure. Here's the front look of it. This figure is kinda huge because of the wing. As you can see, these details. Here's the face. Let's take a look of the left side of it. This Illidan Stormrage has two versions. This is the black version and the other one is the original version which has the purple skin color. This is the look from the back. The wing has a transparent color, as you can see. Here's the right side. Okay, let's see if this Illidan Stormrage has articulation. Okay, it's the articulation time. Let's see. Well, you can move the weapon like this, but you cannot remove the blade. See, here's the same. We can move it from the base. Let's see if we can move the other part. The head, the body. Nah, we cannot move the body. Well, we can remove the wings. So the figure stands just like this, without the wings. Okay, time to measure this up. Okay, it's time to measure this Illidan Stormrage. Well, I take it kind of far because the wing is so huge. Let's see the height of this figure. If we pose it like this, it's 37 centimeter. Yep, 37. The length of the figure is about 35. Sorry, 35 centimeter. Okay. How about the width? The width of it is about 20. Yep, 20 centimeter. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you guys around.